Hi dear viewers, a very warm welcome to today's video. In today's video, what we are going to cover is the power of Power BI. We'll just give you a quick glimpse of how versatile, how capable or how powerful the Power BI tool is when it comes to data visualization and data analysis. Here on this screen right now, you can see this is a raw data, which is this. Here we have name of the salesperson, the country in which the sale has been conducted, what is the product, the date on which the sale was carried out, what was the amount and number of boxes shipped. So this is our base data. Using this base data, we have created this dashboard wherein we are presenting the sales by country, the number of boxes shipped for each of the product, how the sale trended over a period of time, that is from January 2022 to August 2022. And in this fourth graph, we are presenting that we can clearly see a dip in sales uh, in the month of February as compared to month of January. So what are the reasons, or what not reasons actually, here we are talking about which are the products which has registered a decline in sale and which are the products which has registered a increase in sales in the month of February as compared to month of January. So presenting this graph using Microsoft Power BI took us less than 2 minutes to prepare all these four graphs, because Power BI is a tool which is which has some inbuilt capabilities or inbuilt features that makes the data analysis and data presentation or data visualization super easy. So is it really possible or not? That's what we are going to present to you in today's video. So for that, I have opened a new report, and just to make sure that whatever claims I am making is accurate or not, let me reduce the size of this as well. And let's go back to our first report. And this is the base data, which obviously we will be using, but we don't need it. So let me close out this. And why I'm closing out most of the windows is I want to show you something very interesting here. Even before clicking for the very first time on this window of Power BI, where we will be creating the dashboard, what I have just showed to you, something like this, I will start the stopwatch here. And in this frame, we will continue to let the stopwatch progress so that you can actually see that the claim that I'm making, that using Power BI, we can create a dashboard, something like this in less than 2 minutes, is for real. So let's start. This is our Power BI window open. And before, as I said, even before starting uh, to fetch the data, I'll start the stopwatch. So let's start the stopwatch. Now the first step is to get data. So to get data, here we are using Excel workbook. So we will click on Excel workbook. From here, we will just select the file where it has been saved. We'll click on open. We'll allow the Power BI to read the data. Once Power BI completes the step of reading data, we will see a dialog box, something like this. We can select the table, and here we go. All the data points that were present in our Excel file is here. Let's click on load to upload this data or make this data available for use. And once the data is being uploaded, the table, which is by the name of data, will start appearing here with all the fields. So the first thing that we need to prepare is sales by country. So we will insert a chart here. We'll select country and we will select amount. So the first chart has been done. The second chart talks about the number of boxes shipped. So we will select product, number of boxes shipped. So this is also done. Then we need to create a line chart. Here we will select date and then we will select amount. Here we go. Now we need to do analysis. And we are done. So as you can see, this chart which we were planning to make has already been done, and we were actually able to do it in 2 minutes, or rather less than 2 minutes. So this is the chart that we have prepared, and we were able to prepare it in less than 2 minutes. So those who actually work with data or who are in the field of data analysis, they can actually appreciate this fact, or they can vouch for this fact, that preparing these two graphs or maybe preparing this graph may be easier. But doing an analysis like this, where it has been explaining that which all items registered a increase in sale, which all items registered a decline in sale and all, doing all these four graphs in 2 minutes is not possible if you are working on Excel. So that's the power of Power BI. Stay tuned in. We will bring more videos in this series, because in this video our intent was only to showcase the abilities of Power BI and not explaining the each and every step in detail. In the upcoming videos of this series, we will explain each and every step in detail how you can create all these graphs. That's number one. Number two, there are few things, or there are a couple of cosmetic changes that we need to do, like the headings are not proper, or the icons, not icons actually, the data labels are missing, the wherever we have some text that is also not visible or it is not coming up very nicely. So how to customize your graphs or how to make your dashboard or your report more presentable is what we will cover in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned and thanks for now.